My onan generator makes a clicking noise when trying to start. It's a 4000 watt onan.
A continuous rapid clicking while trying to start the genset is a sign that not enough battery voltage is getting to the starter solenoid. The most common cause of this is a bad battery, but it can also be dirty/poor connections at the cables, or not even having the batteries turned on, if you have a master switch.
Seems like when I run the vehicle for a while it charges it up. Then when I let it sit for a few days it gets low. Could something be draining the marine battery when idle? Haven't seen any lights or anything on. What's the battery disconnect button do by the door in my RV? Is the marine battery the only battery to help start it? Does the regular battery help start it too?
That can either be a bad battery, or something having a drain on it. The shutoff is just that, it shuts the battery off. If it is going dead while shut off, you either have a bad battery, or you have something connected to the battery before the shutoff that is draining it. That depends on how your coach is wired. 99% of them have the genset connected to the house battery, and that is best. But every now and then you run into one that is connected to the chassis battery. It is not a good idea to do it that way.
Both batteries are fairly new. Marine battery is only 18 months old and regular battery is a year old. Pull both batteries out in the cold season for about 5 months. Is that an issue? Does it hurt the batteries? House battery, the marine battery. The chassis battery, the regular battery.
Yes, the deep cycle marine battery is the house battery. Pulling them out in the winter is great, but you still have to remember to keep them charged. When the battery is low, even just sitting there is bad for them.
You have to keep a charger on them all winter long or recharge them just before you reinstall them.
I charge mine overnight, once a month, just to keep them topped off. If you have a battery maintainer, you can leave it plugged in all winter and not hurt the battery.
Okay. Thanks for your help. I'll get the battery looked at.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.